I'm sorry, you guys. I just messed my whole video up. Okay, so I was on Virgo. Virgo is what we read for. Sorry, let me start all over again because my daughter came in and interrupted me a little bit. But welcome to On.Point.Paradise, where we create beauty from pain. I'm your host, Bree. This is my channel. Keep in mind that energy is fluid, and so we can talk about past, present, and/or future situations. Also, take what fits for you and leave the rest for someone else. Okay. Now, I went through the whole shebang. I might still upload it. I hit the wrong damn button because my daughter was knocking at my door. But I'm going to recap it for y'all because I'm not about to shuffle these cards all over again. Oh no, I'm already in the middle of the reading. I will not. We're reading for Virgo. What's up, Virgo gang? And number 6 can be significant to you. Now, we're trying to find out what is coming towards you at this time. And your overall energy is right action. And I'm going to read this again. I had trouble saying the word before, but I'm going to say it. Aparigrata, graha. I can't say it. Aparigrata, graha. Literally means let everything that wants to go, go, and let everything that wants to come, come. Now, what I had got from that was let it go, frozen. I think I'm gonna still try to upload the other little clip of the video that I had just so y'all can know exactly where I left off at. I don't merge them together just yet. I have not did any of that just yet. I'm moving at my own pace, okay? But still, I'm gonna get it out there to y'all. But I had got Let It Go by Frozen, Elsa, Frozen, and then whatever come, I had got Intro, Come Inside. So when I asked what was coming towards you, the card that came out was Storm and college life. And I was in a process of explaining that this storm is coming to clear your path because at the bottom of the deck we have your path. And I read it, so I'm going to read it again. It says, Dear Lord, help me trust that there's a plan far beyond what I can see through my fears and illusions. Right? Up under that was right now, which was crazy too, because I was like, right now, y'all on the right path right now. Like, what's up? Now, at the bottom of my deck or whatever, I have summer. So I was like, maybe I was getting summer storm. And I was saying how, what a summer storm looks and feels like. And then I started singing Carl Thomas' Summer Rain. Because that's what a summer storm looks and feels like. You could be dealing with someone that's in college or you could be in college. It's not really just the college format that I'm looking at. I'm looking more like you're in this phase of learning. And it could be that you're relearning things about yourself due to a storm that just happened and or someone who had created a storm in your life, Not all storms are bad storms. So, I was able to sum that up in 5 minutes. But I was jamming to Summer Rain before my daughter gladly and unapologetically, well, she did apologize, so let me not lie, and apologetically cut y'all off. I'm sorry, I apologize, but when children call, I got to answer. So, but now, a storm could be coming to you to clear your path for you to take the right action towards what it is that you want, whatever it is that you desire. Could it already happen? Absolutely, it could already happen. Um, I'm also getting that this person is a force to be reckoned with. This is something you can't control. You can't control the storm. Storms are going to happen. But it's going to give you something to learn about, college life. You may be the student of life. That's what I was getting from that. You may be a student of life, or someone you're dealing with or could possibly be dealing with is a student of life. Hold on, y'all, because I got to write this down real quick. Trying to keep tabs so I don't be doing the same signs over and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe not, but anywho. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, yeah. I do feel like, could this happen around the summertime? This upcoming summer? Yes. Could it have happened this past summer? Absolutely. And you probably being urged to take the right actions to go after what it is that you want. I'm also getting we're never too old to start something new. Yeah. We're never too old to start something new. Everyone on this planet is a student of life. And then you're going to come across some that are the teachers of life. You pick and choose which one you are. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to go to the details because we want to know the details of this situation. Yeah. Source, what's in the details? What's in the details for Virgo at this time? Yep. I definitely channeled that Come Inside song about a month ago. And it was real, real fucking loud. And I was like, bruh, who the fuck is... It wasn't until I listened to the song and was like, whew. I didn't even get 3 minutes in. I didn't even get a minute in the song. And I was just like, ooh, who the fuck is playing this shit? Who? I need to know. I got on TikTok about that shit. Yes, I made a whole video about it. Because I was just like, no sirree, Bob. Channel messages was already seeping their asses through with the music. It was just like, somebody talking about some. If you let me come inside. I'll keep you satisfied tonight. If you want me. Gotta turn it to Medea. If you want me. Alright. What's in the details for Virgo source? What's in the details? Storm and college life. Right action. Well, you showed up, Virgo. The Hermit card in reverse. You've been enlightened. You ready to come out and play? Page of Wands in reverse. Oh, okay. All right. The Empress in reverse. You're not nurturing something or someone. You confused about it. It ain't even that you're confused about it. It's like with this Two of Swords in reverse, with the Two of Pentacles in the upright, you just keep juggling it. The Page of Cups here, you want to offer it, but you don't see no growth in it. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. My deck is not in reverse. Just want to let y'all know. Okay, so you got the Hermit card in reverse. You want to come out of your shit. That's crazy as fuck, because I was singing Say So yesterday. It's been a long time since you fell in love. You ain't coming out your shell. You ain't really been yourself. Tell me what must I do. That's my shit. That's me and my sister shit. But the Page of Wands in reverse, this is impulsive ass energy. I mean, and this isn't, if it was in the upright, I would say the student of life. But this is a person who don't even know their own passions and desires, and they act off of impulse more than anything. They do not act off of any type of instinct at all. What's this? Six of Wands. Six of Wands. That's a victory. That's a victory, though. That's crazy. Someone came out of their shell. Wow. Hold the fuck on. Hold on. Somebody came out of their shell, turned your world upside the fuck down, which puts you on your path. With this six of wands. Absolutely. Now, yeah. This particular energy catapulted you onto your path. That's, even though you may think it was very destructive, very impulsive, very obnoxious and unorthodox of this person, it turned out to be a fucking victory for you. I mean, what did the path say? Dear Lord, help me trust that there's a plan far beyond what I can see through my fears and illusions. You feared this person. A little fearful, but it catapulted you into getting on your path. With this Hermit card in reverse, it's like you're coming out of sitting and meditating and learning about yourself. It could be that you were being pushed to act on your impulses, which led to you getting on your right path, and which is bringing about victory. It also could be that this storm, whoever this person is, could be a Virgo, because the Hermit is represented by the Virgo. It's nothing but the Hermit and fire out here right now. Ooh, let me take a sip of my coffee. Ooh, woo, woo. So this storm, this storm is to help you clear your path so you can see it clearly, literally. It's going to help you make the right, take the right action. But you letting yourself know and understand that whatever is meant to be, it will be. Let's clarify this, because I'm telling you. Okay, so this could have been a young person. This Page of Wands could have been a young person. We got the Empress in reverse. This was whatever this connection is, or was, or will be. There's no nurturing in it. Two of Swords, it's like you know what you want. The Two of Swords in reverse. You know what you want, but you're not moving. So an indecision is still a decision. And with the Two of Pentacles, this is juggling. The Page of Cups is here. It's like you want to offer your apology, or someone wants to offer an apology to you. But with the Seven of Pentacles in reverse, there's no growth. Excuse me, which I'm getting that's why the storm is there in your life. Whether that be a person, place, or thing. Could have been a young fire sign that catapulted you to your path. I just heard thank me later. This person could have been a student of life. That's college life with the Six of Wands. This person was a student of life, is a student of life. Not, the actual schooling. Could it be possible that they're in actual school? Yeah. However, they are a student of life, meaning no one teaches them better than life itself. They learn through experiences. And with the energy that they probably provided to you, which was a storm with this Page of Wands in reverse, because that's impulsive, uncontrollable energy. You can't control the storm. You just got to wait it out. It catapulted you to your path. Thank them later. Summer, summer, summertime. All right, let's clarify. So I also feel like the storm that you're probably in now is going to clear for you to know what actions to take in regards to your life. The Hermit in reverse. Clarify. Yep. Ace of Wands in reverse. There is no passion. It's a delay on a passionate new beginning. I just got this weird, I can't even call it weird. I just got this feeling that you didn't heed the call. With this Hierophant in reverse, and it's being clarified by the Ace of Wands, which is causing delay. It's causing delay. You see, this woman's third eye is open. It's yours may not be. Like, I'm also getting martyr vibes from the Hermit card in reverse. Page of Wands in reverse. Ooh, justice is served. The Justice card in reverse. I mean, in the upright. My bad. It's in the upright. Yeah, this young person brought justice to a situation. Like I said, they catapulted you on your path. They catapulted you to your path. I'm sorry. You got 111 out here. Damn, I just noticed that the Ace of Wands, the Justice card is 11. 111. Maybe significant. That is the right path. That's being on the right path. 6 of Wands. Clarify the 6 of Wands. With the Hangman. Yeah, you need to sit. Shit. It's going in order. This is the Mama D style. In that order. In that order. In that. This is going in order because the Hangman is right after the Justice card. This victory is going to sit you down. Bottom of the deck. Chariot. Yeah. Somebody coming in fast, or you is coming in fast. The Chariot, number 7, with the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, the 7 of Cups in the upright, Page of Swords in reverse, and the Emperor. Okay, so it may not be about love because the Lovers is in reverse along with the Emperor's card in reverse. Yeah. I really got this feeling that this is a child. Got a lot of pages showing up. You know, because in this deck, you got the Page of Cups in reverse. On the spread, it's the Page of Wands in reverse. This Page of Swords is in reverse. So. Oh my gosh. Okay. This may not even be a child, but if it is, you know, it's kind of like you needing to accept people for who they are. If they're not your way is what's right for you. It's not gonna always be right for someone else. That's what I'm getting if it's in regards to a child. If it's in regards to your child or a child that you father or mother, your way is not their way. So just accept that. Because you got let everything that wants to go, go. Let everything that wants to come, come. And if this person wanted to walk away or go get away from you due to your controlling ways, and the reason why I'm saying that is because you have the Emperor right here in the upright, Aries energy, with the Page of Swords in reverse. So you could have been controlling and verbally abusive with your words. But, however, we're going to switch that. If it has anything to do with like a parent and child-like relationship, what's being called is for you to just accept them as they are. There's nothing you could change. You, like I said, you can't change the storm. You can't control it. So why control someone who actually learns? They learn by experiencing life. Why would you want to deter that? You know? That's what I'm getting. Now, on the flip side, if this is about love, which I do think some of y'all is having trouble with your children. Some of y'all maybe having trouble with a parent. Then there's some of y'all who's having trouble with someone that you were either in a connection with, trying to get in a connection with, or you not understanding what you were supposed to learn in the previous connection, relationship, however you see it. But this is what I'm getting. So I'm going to say it. The Lover's card is in reverse. The Empress card is in reverse. They represent love. This represents duality. It also represents making a choice. So if you're single, you're trying to make a choice for yourself, and that's good. So take the time out to make a choice for yourself. We have the hangman in the upright. When I say it's going in order, it's going in order, God damn it. The blue, these two cards match up. You get what I'm saying? But when it comes to love, when it comes to a relationship, sorry, hold on. Somewhere, someone abused their power. They thought because they was, emperor status that they could communicate to people any type of way, which left them confused with the Seven of Cups. They didn't know what to choose. They didn't know what they wanted. Caused the person to not want to work with them anymore. And got the fuck away. I just had to say it. I was being urged to say it. Just say it. Just say it. So this storm, from whether it be a person, place, or thing, has catapulted you to your path. It delayed your passion and new beginning. It delayed your new beginning because there's something that you have not learned yet. Something within yourself that you haven't learned yet. And I'm also getting that this person of fire element, whether it be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Page of Wands, in reverse, served justice. They served the justice. They served justice. Their impulses serve justice. I don't know. Okay, let me make it clearer. Okay. You're telling me to explain. All right, so I'm going to explain. I'm going to explain in the best way that I could that'll help you understand. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, they all have impulses, instincts. They're very passionate, very creative. It's a flame that doesn't go out. When they come with a lot of energy. It ain't just no real small flame. I mean, it can be a candle flame, but add some shit to it and watch it get bigger. You get what I'm saying? This energy of wands, the energy of a fire, they're not to be controlled. Just like air, they're not to be controlled. I don't feel like all elements should be controlled. I feel like they should have that innate energy in themselves to control themselves. However, a lot of the fire signs, and I'm saying this on a general basis, they act on impulses and instincts a lot. And sometimes it may not be what's best for the other party in that moment, but it's definitely what's best for them in that moment. I don't feel like and I'm saying this, I've never really met a real hardcore selfish fire sign. most fire signs that I've ever met are genuine. They really just passionate, and they passion can come off aggressive to some people and come off seductive to some people too. It all depends on how you take it. But if you haven't learned yourself, and this is what I understood, if you don't know yourself fully, you're not going to understand the people that you are surrounded by. Everyone is in someone's life to show them something about themselves. Everyone is a reflection of each other. Whether we want to admit it or not, we're all a reflection to each other, for real. It's something that you see in me that you like. Something that you like, damn, how she do that? When she do that? Like, damn, I want to know. When really you're identifying with something in you that you have yet to let it come up and take action towards. We all have different gifts. We're all different, yet the same. So the moment you understand that within yourself, you'll be able to understand people on a more in-depth level. Now, to get to this Page of Wands in reverse with this Justice card in the upright, this particular fire sign, whether it be a child, because I did say pages are, they represent children or young adults or whatever, however, but it's a young person. Them acting on their impulses was their justice, was their rightful karma. I can't make this shit up. Their karma is not bad. It's not this. It's this. Clear skies. Clear skies. Them acting on their impulses with the Page of Wands in reverse served as justice. So what you may view, Virgo, what you may view is impulsive action, impulsive thinking, impulsive verbal communication, impulsive passions, and all of that shit. It served them. It also served you. Whether you want to admit it or not, it served you. It brought you about victory to sit that ass down and get to know yourself a little more. Get enlightened. Take a new perspective. It catapulted you to your path. That's what it did. So just when you think that it didn't serve you, it did. It's just that you don't see it because you want to be the martyr and blow your own damn fire out. Don't do that. Just saying. Don't do that. I'm hearing all will be revealed soon, but you needing to sit down with yourself and relearn yourself so you can bring about this new change that you've been asking for with this Ace of Wands. If this is a person that's been like this to you, reverse the situation. You catapulted this person onto their path, whether they view it as bad or good. You did what you were supposed to do in the moment that you made yourself available. Put it like that. If you made yourself available to help in any way, shape, or form, you did that. Congratulations if you did. If you didn't, take it as a lesson for you to learn for you and not for everybody else. I was going to say every fucking body else, but no, I don't want to be like that. You're not nurturing something, though, with this Empress card in reverse. You could be not nurturing yourself the way that you need to, which is dimming your light. I said you got wands out here, and that's all you got out here. You don't have no cups. You got 3 major arcanas on the table and 3 wands, meaning you need to get creative, sir, ma'am. I'm also hearing stop looking for someone else to create it for you. You have all the tools you need. Especially with this Hermit card. They got all the tools they need to look into themselves and figure out what is going on with them that no longer serves them. They don't need nobody else to tell them how to fucking heal. They don't need nobody else to tell them how to go deep inside themselves, pull their gifts up, and create some shit. But you can definitely delay your shit if you acting as if somebody owe you something. Don't nobody owe you nothing. No one owes you anything. Only you owe you. You owe you. Let's get y'all some love notes. Let's get y'all some love notes from the universe. You got a victory. It could be that this person that lives, it could be that this person that's in college life will bring you a victory to show you a different perspective. Because that's what the Hangman is about in the upright. A different perspective. Being enlightened. And you went from the Justice to the Hangman. That means you're going in order. You get what I'm saying? But you got to be willing to go after what it is that you want and what you desire. Because I think you don't know what you want, let alone know what you desire. The Ace of Wands, which talks about brand new beginnings. The Aces talks about brand new beginnings, period. But with it being in reverse, that's saying it's a delay on your passionate new beginning. And it could be because you don't know what you want. Source, what love notes do you have for Virgo at this time? Yeah, you was confused. You was confused. And that's what's being brought out now with this storm. You're no longer confused. You'll find what you seek. And it's so crazy because I kept looking at your path. Because I kept hearing to help me to see the plan far, far beyond what I could see. You'll find what you seek. If you've ever suddenly found and been loved by someone amazing, awesome, fun, and fantastic, chances are astronomical you will again. And if you haven't yet found such a person, chances are astronomical you will. It's up to you, the universe. Like I said, like I was saying, only you owe you. Only you owe you. If you're looking for love, it'll come. But it's up to you to receive it. It's up to you to have a different perspective on how it should look, what it should feel like, what it smells like, what it tastes like. How do I know? Do I hear it right? You won't know none of that stuff until you sit with yourself. Maybe the way you thought love was has outgrown or has been outdated and you need to change that. Either way it go, it's up to you. So, Virgo, this is your reading. I hope that helps. Sending you guys love and light, peace and prosperity. happiness, and healthiness. I'm out. Deuces.